Well, this is going to be interesting. I got a couple of dentist chairs. Can't wait to get these back to the shark cage and see what we're dealing with. Very interesting pickup from one of my clients. 2 dentist chairs. And I know what you all are thinking. Right now everybody's going, ah, dentist, ah! Well, this is, the only drilling that's going to go on here is me taking this stuff apart. We were able to lift these in 2 people. The weight is definitely right here. So I'm going to see what, I'm thinking that this is the motor, and I'm thinking that's what is driving the real weight. Some sort of big power converter motor thing here for lifting the chair up and down. So my plan is to take this off and then see if this becomes manageable for me. If that doesn't help, I've got my Genie lift standing by. Just like the dentist, I'm getting my tools in place. This has a whole new meaning when we're talking about a dentist chair, doesn't it? All right. Now, I'm just curious about the back of this thing, so I'm going to take this off real quick. Okay, now just sit back, relax, open wide. This won't hurt very much at all. All right, kind of like a piece of furniture. Okay, are you aluminum with a steel thread? You're aluminum, you're steel. So that's threaded in there, and there's a little Allen key there to get it out. So we'll work on that after a while. All right, now let's get at you guys. Oh man, that was so much easier. It just isn't wide enough to get around this one, but I know it's going to be an easier cut. There we go. Just get this stuff out of the way. You guys. It was just a little bigger, so let's try a 9/16. There we go. So I'm thinking these 4 hold the chair onto the base, and these 4 hold this motor thing in place. All right, now that's a large Phillips. Let's see, are you gonna work? Yes, but you want to tilt off as soon as I do that. So the chair is mounted to this plate, and this plate is mounted to this part. Okay. So maybe I have to take the seat all the way off before I get that plate off. Yeah, that's probably what I have to do. All right, now the weight of the chair is going to press down, and it'll bind a little bit here. So, but I think I can just hang on to the back of it while I'm unthreading these. I'm gonna loosen up as well as I can. Yeah, see how that's starting to come up? So what's going to happen is the chair is going to fall forward as I get this unthreaded. And we'll take the pressure off of that one while we unscrew it. All right, now that should, yeah, that's completely detached now. So we can go ahead and get you out of the way. You're pretty heavy in your own right because you still got a nice big knocking motor right there. So you're heavy, but you're manageable. Okay, now you are quite a bit more manageable, but you're still pretty knocking heavy, so let's see what we can do here about this. Man, there's just a nice, serious piece of steel here. Yeah. Wow. That bad boy's heavy. Now one of the reasons why I need to get on with this is because there's also a big AC unit there that I have to pick up. So I need to get the truck empty so I can get on over there and get back over there and get that AC unit picked up. Oh man, I'm loving these new clips. Whoever sent these to me, thank you. Thank you. These things are awesome. All right, well, those are flatheads, so we'll unscrew those. Get all that wire out of there. How heavy are you still? You're still pretty heavy. Let's see if there's anything I can do to help get some of that weight. There's some sort of plate underneath of here. There's a big old motor. And there's a big old plate down there. This whole thing is a great big plate. And what are you? Aluminum. That is a huge aluminum, a huge chunk of cast aluminum. Wow. Wow. Man. Okay, so we've got some threads sticking out here, 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 and here. And, oh yeah, and then in here. As much as I don't like doing multi-part videos, this scrap is going to be a bit more complicated and time-consuming. So I'm going to break this up into multiple parts where we've got the chair separated from the bases. So I'm going to get the bases stored back here out of the way. And then in the next video, we'll work on the chairs specifically, getting the metal frames and the motors and everything off of the chairs. Then we'll come and attack these bases because that is some very nice heavy cast aluminum making up these bases, and this is going to be a lot of fun to work on. If you want to keep having more fun with the shark scrapper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's that little round icon in the middle of the two links that are taking you to more of my scrapping videos. Everybody be safe. We'll see you on the next one.